Lolha kids, let's learn.
Words starting with th.
This this.
This is my book.
That that.
That is a tree.
Three 3.
This is number 3.
Thank thank.
Thank you, friend.
There there.
I am going there to play. Would you like to join? Thief thief. See, there is a thief. Thirsty thirsty. I am so thirsty. Can you give me some water?
Theater.
We went to theater yesterday night. Commonly used th words are
This. That.
3.
Thank.
There.
Thief.
Thirsty.
Theater. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel to watch more videos like this to learn more.